There it goes.
What's up, buddy? What speed you at?
Oh, Josh. Well, did this one have you a little nervous or what?
Yeah,
That was a bad one.
I feel like I'm wore out, like I just worked out.
I hear you. That was a workout.
Well, it's just the stress.
I know.
That look, them 2 liters right there that were going out.
Oh, I know.
The wind would pick up, they were moving. I'm
Oh, I
telling
know.
you.
I seen it. I mean, that's what I was telling you. We had to hurry up and get over and get this done before it fell out on our house. Oh, this was a bad one. Not
I was
lightning.
gonna try to tie it up, but there wasn't no safe way.
Oh, I
to
know.
tie it up.
I know. That's why I told you we had to get over and get this done. Hey, Scott,
Yes.
what did you think about this tree when we pulled up on the job and you saw it?
I thought it was gonna fall apart. Right when I pulled up, I was like, oh, that's it.
It's bad.
It is really bad.
Had
Hey,
Josh
but I tell
nervous.
you what, if you want some free firewood, I'm talking about free 99. Get your tree struck by lightning. There you go, baby.
There you go. Already split for you.
I tell you what.
And you'll get a lot of snap, crackle, and pop out of it too. If you want a crackling fire, burn firewood that's been hit by lightning.
I'm telling you, it pops me every time.
What's that?
It pops me every time. It shocks
pops
me.
you?
Shocks me.
Oh, it shocks you?
Yeah, every
Because
time.
it got hit by lightning. It still got energy in
I
it.
guess.
It's following that rope down.
Yeah.
Nah, just kidding. I don't think that really happens. But who knows? So Scott, I said it's the lightning. What do you think it is?
I think.
He's waiting on you to pull the rope.
Oh, my bad. Dad distracted me with this video.
Well, I'm just trying to get your logic on what you think's going on with the rope, why it's shocking you.
Yeah, so it's like static electricity from the rope and the metal rubbing together, kind of like socks on carpet, you know.
You think that's what it is?
I think that's what it is.
But it keeps zapping you, huh?
But it keeps popping the crap out of me. Hey, next time it does, bring the camera in real close.
I bet I can get the spark, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
If it was dark, you'd see it.
You might hear the pop.
Yep, you're right. All right, here we go. There goes another chunk. I'll be really happy when we get that top out of the tree. It's pretty windy today and really makes me nervous being all busted up like that up there. Josh felt like it was secure enough that he didn't need to scrap it off. Sometimes when they're split like that, we'll put straps around it to hold it together for safety reasons. You just don't want it. You don't want it coming apart on you.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. I tell you what. Did you hear it?
I think so.
Maybe. Maybe it caught it, maybe.
Piece of top we're roping out of, this weight could shift that top and break that top out. But luckily it didn't. Hot dog. Perfect. Perfect. I just don't trust trees sometimes. I mean, whether they're cracked up like this from lightning, just never know. But it went good. And I'll be happy to get that last little top out. And we're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna get this tree down to a point where we can drop the log. Then we'll come back tomorrow and clean it all up and grind the stumps. What are you doing? God, he's cutting. It's your row. Hurry. Hurry up. paying attention again. Josh is ready. God's having to hurry up and get the wrap.
He ain't ready.
Here we go. Huh, got to tie the rope to it.
He got the wrong one.
He got tired of waiting on you, so he just cut it.
I guess.
That's what happens.
Here we go.
Good play. He had a rope on that limb. This one right here is what I've been waiting on. Get this top out. I mean, it's literally splintered. And all the bark's gone. Just like that. Yeah, they told me earlier that watching us do this tree was better than watching soap operas.
Right. Soap opera don't come on until 9, alright?
Ah, gotcha.
Yes.
Alright, start blocking this bad boy down. So far, so good. I'm just thankful you don't have to rope these blocks down. You can just block them and drop them. That always makes up for a better day when you don't have to rope it down. Quicker. There we go. Perfect. You know, I remember 39 years ago, almost 40, when I first started out. I had an old pickup truck, old Chevy truck, my dad's 028 chainsaw, little old half-inch rope, a pole climbing belt and pole spurs, and an old raggedy trailer that I borrowed from my dad. And I started cutting trees. And that old trees like that, I was climbing them. But a tree like that took me a long time to do when I first started out climbing, and I was using pole spurs. And I learned a hard lesson on that one. I was climbing a pine tree about 3 months after I started, and had old thick bark on it. And then pole spurs, which y'all know, anybody listening knows anything about spurs, the pole spurs are short. Well, stabbed in that bark and I fell right on my back.